Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are keeping fine. So, my dear students, in the last class, we have learned what are the different kinds of sentences. Today, we will learn what is interjection, affirmative, and positive sentences. So, my dear students, what is an interjection? An interjection is a word used to express a sudden or strong emotion. An interjection is also used with an exclamation mark. Gosh, yippee, ouch are some interjection. They are written in two ways. Interjection can be used on their own with an exclamation mark. When written like this, the sentence following the interjection does not need an exclamatory mark, like for example, bravo. Soon after the bravo word, there is an exclamation mark. So at the end of the sentences, you need not have to put exclamation mark. So here, bravo, you did very well in the test. So next one, you can say it again. Interjection can also be used as part of a longer sentence, in which case they are followed by a comma. Ouch, there is a comma there. You stepped on my foot. At the end, there is an exclamation. So in this way, you can write it in two ways. Now, what is affirmative and positive sentences? Statements are also called assertive sentences. In the different kinds of sentences, we have learned what is a statement. So that statement are also known as assertive sentences. There are two types of assertive sentences. A sentence that tells us what something or someone is, what a thing is, and what a person that someone is, has or does is called an affirmative or positive sentences. Nehru is happy. Jatin and Nehru have a pet dog. Jatin plays the guitar. A negative sentence tells us the opposite. We can change a positive sentence into a negative only by adding not. Nehru is not happy. Jatin and Nehru did not have a pet dog. Jatin does not play the guitar. So what is a positive sentence or affirmative? It says that when we are talking about someone, he or she is, or he or she has, or he or she is doing in a positive way, or doing in a good way. That is a positive sentence. Like for example, Nehru is happy, she is very happy. Or in a negative sentences, it says it is an opposite word. It is opposite of affirmative. That is a negative sentences. And when we are changing it into negative, there will be a word not. We have to use it not to change it into a negative sentences. Like for example, Nehru is not happy. So my dear students, please go through once again in your book. See properly. Please take care of yourself. Stay safe. Take care. Thank you.